Hey you guys, let's talk about troubleshooting in Reels. Okay, so I have been talking to you guys a while about using Reels for your business. And one of the biggest problems that people have is that their music isn't working. So in this short video, I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do to troubleshoot and to get some music working on your account. Okay, so I'm Michelle Gifford from I'mMichelleGifford.com. I help you create content that makes you money and build an impact and influences so many people and makes you happy. So I'm glad that you're here. So let's get going. The first thing that you need to try is you need to make sure that your app is updated. This is the first thing you need to do. Update your app and then log out and then log back in, okay? If that doesn't work, then I want you to uninstall, this is number 2, uninstall and then reinstall your Instagram app, okay? If that doesn't work, you need to try number 3, which I'm going to show you how to do, and that is to contact Instagram, and you can do this in the Instagram app, which I'm going to show you right now. All right, you guys, to contact Instagram, you're going to go to the 3 lines up here at the top. You're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go down here to help, and then you're going to report a problem. You're going to click on something isn't working, and then you would just type my music isn't working for Reels, and then you would send it, and then they will get. All right, while you're waiting for Instagram to get back to you so that you can have music and use Reels the right way in Instagram, you can use TikTok and create videos in TikTok and then export them to your phone and upload them to Instagram in your Reels, and that will work, and the music will come over with it. There are a couple tricks that I want to tell you about that. Number 1 is make sure that when you're recording in TikTok that you just record the 15 seconds, because that is how long it is in Instagram. And number 2, once you publish it, and what I've been doing is I've been publishing it privately, so I'm the only one that can see it. And then once it's published, there's 3 dots in the bottom right corner. If you click on those, it'll allow you to export it. Now, how you're going to export it is as a live photo. Live photo. Scroll over until you see that, a live photo. And then it'll export to your phone as a live photo. You're going to go find that document, or it'll just be in your pictures. You're going to find that, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to do export to a video. Now what this just did is it took off the watermark that you see at the top, the TikTok watermark with your username and TikTok flashing. There will be a small TikTok thing down here, but it's less obtrusive. It's so much better. So those are my 2 tips while you're using TikTok to post to Reels is 1, make sure it's 15 seconds, and 2, create it in TikTok, export it this way as a live photo, and then change that file into a video on your phone, and it makes it easy, so you can do that while you wait for Instagram to give you the music. All right, so I'm going to come down to these 3 circles right here on the right. Click there. Then I'm going to scroll over and do live photo. So what that did is it's saving as a live photo. Then I'm going to come over to my camera, it is, and I am going to export that, or I'm just going to save it as a video right here. And there you go. Now it's ready to publish on Instagram. All right, you guys, I want you to get out there. I want you to post some Reels, and I want you to tag me so that I can cheer you on. I'm proud of you. You're doing it, and we'll see you next time.